Design thinking. What's that? Why should I care? Well, design thinking is a process used to solve messy, complicated problems. It's what designers use to create things to make our life easier. So how does this work? Let's look at an example to better understand what you will do. A group of 10th graders noticed the problem of students arriving at school without eating breakfast. Because of this, they noticed students complaining about being hungry and having trouble focusing in class. They decided to use design thinking to address this problem. To do this, they start at the beginning, the empathize stage. In this stage, they step into the shoes of people who experience this problem, the students who don't have time to eat breakfast in the morning. They do this to understand how students feel about the problem and the needs they have. Next, they try to learn everything they can about the problem in the define stage. They talk to students and experts on this problem and observe the environment where this takes place. They will even look at solutions that have been tried but didn't work. This stage is extremely important. If they don't research their problem, they could end up designing a solution that doesn't actually solve anything. After they really understand what the students need, they will move into the ideate stage. In this stage, they will brainstorm as many solution ideas as they can think of. They will suggest ways to solve the problem that are obvious and practical, and ways that are wild and crazy. In this stage, no idea is wrong. Then, they will choose a few ideas that are their favorite, the ones that are the most creative or most likely to solve the problem, and will bring those ideas to life in the prototype stage. In this stage, the student designers make real-life versions of their ideas. Depending on their design concept, they might make a physical prototype, perform a role play, or outline a system. The designers do this to see how their design will work in real life. To find out if their ideas actually solve the real problem, the designers try them out with real users in the test stage. They ask the students to use the object or go through the motions of a system to see what works well and what needs to be improved. While this is the last stage, it doesn't have to be the end. If the design has problems, the designer may go back and do more research, try other ideas, or work to fix the problems with that prototype. By using the design thinking process, the team is able to understand the real needs of the people affected. They know why the problem exists. They are able to consider many different creative solutions. They try out their solution ideas in the real world, and they are able to prove the success of their design idea. Are you ready to solve a problem with design thinking?